If you're looking for that simplest recipe and very affordable product that will help you to repair your split end, damaged hair, moisturize your hair, soften your hair, thicken up your hair, regrow your edges, crown section, this recipe I'm about to share with you, it will help you to achieve that. It's very simple to prepare but very effective. Believe me when I said it is very effective. So to make this powerful leave-in tea spray, guys, what we need is oats. I have prepared this leave-in tea spray before on the channel and I got a lot of love. So because of that love I got through that video, so I want to give you guys the more version updates, the best way again to use this tea spray to grow your hair like never before. And I got comments, some people say they have started trying it and the result is mind-blowing. They are seeing amazing results. So I got so much love through that video. So if you subscribe in the channel through that video, please let me know in comment section below. I need to give you a hug. You deserve a hug. I love you guys so much for showing me this massive love you show me on that video. Okay, may God Almighty bless you. Okay, so I want to give you guys another best way to use this recipe to boost your hair growth, another way to use the easiest way but very powerful, effective than the first one. Okay, so what you just need is your oats. I just make use of 2 tablespoons of my oats. Okay, use any oats you have around you. Suppose that is oats, you are good to go. So after measuring my 2 tablespoons of my oats, I transfer it into my blending cup. Okay, so next thing I pour in water. Okay, bring my blender to blend this, guys, blend it. Okay, so after blending it, this is what I have so far. I transfer into my shift cloth, okay, to shifter it. Guys, keep on watching to see the magic results on this recipe. Okay, so I transfer into my shifter to shifter it to collect my tea spray. Guys, this tea spray is not like the one that you watched before. If that one that you watched before give you good result, if you see amazing result on that one, this one will give you more greater result than that one. Just keep on watching. Okay, so the next thing now, I transfer it into my spray bottle. Guys, this recipe will give you that hydration, strengthen your hair, moisturize your hair, promote faster hair growth, stop hair fall, itching scalp, repair your damaged hair, repair your split end, and also give you fuller, thicker hair growth with using this tea spray. Do you see that is very simple, very easy to prepare? But believe me guys, this is the most easiest product I ever see before, and but the result is shocking. The result of using this tea spray on your hair is shocking. The result you will gotten on using this tea spray on your hair is mind-blowing. If you want to go on challenge to see how powerful this tea spray is, you need to go on challenge with it, especially if you want to repair your damaged hair, especially if you want to stop hair fall, especially if you want to thicken up your hair, especially if you want to grow your edges or stop hair shedding or stop your excessive hair fall. Guys, only thing you need to do is to prepare this recipe. As you can see, very easy, very easy to prepare. So you don't need to worry yourself of fermenting it 8 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours. Just do the way I just show you and you're going to get that crazy effective results. Use this on a fresh wash hair. Use it as a leave-in tea spray. After applying it on your hair, please use your leave-in condition to see in the moisture so that this moisture will not go out quickly. You need to sit on this hair and do that great work it's supposed to do. Guys, if you want to go on challenge on it, just take a picture of your hair, okay, before and after. And also, if you want to use this as a leave-in tea spray, use this only but 3 times in a week and you will see crazy results. Only 2 weeks of applying this on your hair, you will see how that shedding will stop. Guys, there is no joke. Go to my former video I do, check on the comment section below. You will see thumbs up comments. A lot of people comment good on this recipe. Just use it the way I just show you and you will never regret it. And then if you want to take it another level, please, if you have essential oil, drop in your essential oil like lavender essential oil, peppermint essential oil, rosemary essential oil. Just drop it in and shake it up. Use it, okay? Storage, this can only last only but 5 days in your refrigerator. Please, I got a comment when someone asked me she don't have fridge, whether how long can this thing can last without freezer. Please, if you don't have freezer, make a little bag, the one you can use. Just make 1 tablespoon of this, add a little water on it and apply it, okay? Next time you want to use it again, it's better than you make a large batch and it gets spoiled. There's no need. You're wasting your product, or you'll be applying spoiled products on your hair. It will not work, okay? Rather it will may cause future damage on your hair. So our advice, if you don't have fridge, please make the one you can use for that day, and another day you want to make use of it again, please the same thing, just prepare it again, okay, and you're good to go. After applying this on my hair, this is how my hair is. To activate this more effectively, I'm giving myself a gentle scalp massage. After massaging my scalp, I'm good to go. Guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please let me know your opinion. Like as I said, if you subscribe to the channel because of the first of this living condition, this oat living condition that I make, please let me know, okay? You deserve a hug, okay? Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video will get more love than the first one I prepare. I hope I will receive more love than the first one I show you guys. So this channel, I show you simple remedy that will help you to grow that hair crazy without you breaking the bank, and you're going to have that hair retention that you desire. Your hair will still grow to that length. You still grow your hair to that your heart desire of length, okay? So guys, I have come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, comment, and also like. See you guys on my next video. Keep on shining, be safe out there. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. Remain blessed out there. Bye.